Are you taking the necessary steps to maintain a healthy lifestyle? One crucial aspect that often goes overlooked is the importance of vitamins and minerals. These essential HT nutrients play a vital role in supporting our overall well-being. Let's take a moment to understand why they are so crucial. Vitamins and minerals are like the body's guardians, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. They help convert food into energy, allowing us to stay active and go about our daily lives. Furthermore, they aid in the growth, development, and repair of our body's tissues. A balanced intake of vitamins and minerals also supports our immune system, protecting us from harmful infections and diseases. They act as natural defenders, strengthening our body's defense mechanisms. Furthermore, they play a vital role in maintaining healthy bones, teeth, and skin. They are the building blocks that keep us standing tall. When we lack a sufficient intake of these essential nutrients, our body may struggle to function optimally. We may experience fatigue, weakness, or even more severe health issues. By incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into our diets, we can ensure a sufficient intake of vitamins and minerals. However, sometimes our bodies may still require an additional boost. This is where dietary supplements come into play. These supplements are designed to fill the gaps and ensure we receive the right amount of nutrients our bodies need. In conclusion, vitamins and minerals are the fuel that our bodies need to thrive. They support our overall well-being, strengthen our immune system, and help us maintain healthy bones, teeth, and skin. By being mindful of our diet and considering dietary supplements, when necessary, we can pave the way for a truly healthy lifestyle. Remember, a balanced intake of vitamins and minerals is the key to unlocking our body's full potential.